Apple Reminders is the most underrated app on iOS, of course if you use it right. It's simple and powerful free app on your devices, iPad, iMac or iPhone. Today I will show you 10 tips how to unlock your productivity. Let's get started. This example I will use is on my Mac, but it works on iPad and iPhone as well. First tip is sections. You can see it already on my screen. It's a new feature in iOS 17 that you can separate your tasks in different sections. How do I add them? You have like some little button here. You click and then you can add new section. Second tip. This feature is not new, but it's still useful. It's called Smart Lists. Okay, then you can click here on Smart Lists and then you can adjust the filter you want. For this demonstration I will use a demo tag, and then what it does, it's completely filtered all tasks with demo. This my favorite feature is, I call it the group view. What does it mean? For example, you can group multiple tasks together and name it what you like, and then if you click on this group you can see all the tasks which one in this groups together. It's very nice for if you plan your week. Tip number 4 is templates. It's very nice if you, for example, have this list and you always want to use it. So it's easy to set it up. You go to File and then Save as a template. Shopping list demo, okay, save. And you can do is can select your list and then you can see here templates. If you click on it you can select the templates and then create list, and boom, you have generated list. It's very useful if you have recurring tasks or a project. A pro tip, you can set up some shortcuts like this, and the cool part, there you can use it on your iPad and iPhone as well. If you find this useful, make sure you like this video, then I can make more videos like this. Okay, tip number 5. It's my personal favorite, it's today's section. Let me explain. Let's assume you have this task, you want to do it today. By the way, if you want to tag it for today, just Command T. So if you go to the today section, you can see we have like these 2 tasks what we have, and this one what I'm working on already. And the cool feature that you have 3 sections like morning, afternoon to night. I like to do this in the morning. If I plan my day, I can put it like afternoon, or for the cool part they have automatically like time as well. Tip number 6 is also my favorite. It's you can assign a task to a specific location. Let me show what I mean. For example, let me move a little bit, like peanut butter, and you can assign like add location. If you toggle in and then enter the location. The good use cases for it, if for example the special brand of your favorite peanut butter is only available on this specific location or store, you can set a reminder. Every time if you pass this location, you will pop it up like this. Tip number 7. This feature called shopping list is come with iOS 17. What it does, you can convert a list, and if you go show list info, and then you can convert to shopping list, okay? And then pop, you can see it convert like in section automatically for your shopping list. It's very handy if you're going on your shopping journey. Okay, by the way, you can also pin this list, for example, pin list, and then it looks more accessible. Tip number 8, Kanban view. This feature is new as well. If you go to view and then you can view as a column, and then it looks like this. You can drop the items. On iPhone and iPad it's like more easier. You have everything, you have like 3 dots here I think, and then you can change this. On Mac it's a little bit, you have to go up here. Interactive widgets. For this showcase I will switch to my iPad. It's like reminders, add widget. Oh, I don't like this one. Reminders, I like this one. And the cool part, you've tickled up, they will move as well. How cool is that? And the last tip is also my favorite. It's called Remind Me Later. You can go to the Notes app and say Remind Me Later, and it will automatically put a reminder with the link to the note. It works as well for Safari and emails as well. It's a very nice feature. You can try it by yourself and let me know in comments if you like these tips. After trying these tips, you will notice how powerful Apple Reminder truly is. The simplicity and the frictionless make sure that you get things done. I was using Notion for years and I noticed how much friction it built in my day-to-day life in productivity. Don't understand me wrong, I still love Notion and still use it, but not as my personal task management system anymore. After I switched to Apple Reminder, oh boy, my productivity skyrocketed. And the best part, it's make fun as well.